We are making my mom's Calabrian stuffed eggplant. So what we're gonna do is make a very, very savory, delicious stuffing. And we use the eggplant in the stuffing. There's never any waste with Italian cooking.
No, never, right.
Right? So the first thing you're gonna do is get some eggplants boiling. Peel on, and you get them boiling. But there's a little trick, so let's get them cut up. I'll show you the trick. So you're gonna cut off the top. That's the only thing we're throwing out.
Gotcha.
All right, and then we're gonna cut them in half, lengthwise. Now, just to help our process along, just gonna take a paring knife.
Score it.
And score the sides.
Yeah.
And then make some, crosshatch. And this just helps you when you have to take that filling out later. All right? So you're gonna get them into the hot
tub.
Into that hot tub to steam up. That's gonna be 10, 15 minutes. While that's going, because we like to be working in the kitchen at all times.
Working forward, right?
We're gonna get some pancetta in a frying pan. You're gonna do, obviously, a little salt, a little pep.
Yep.
And all the things that make Italian food delicious, right? We got our garlic going in. Yes.
Our onion.
Onion. And then, again, because our favorite four-letter word, more pork.
More pork.
So we're gonna get some ground pork in there. Now, the thing is, my nonna in Italy, in southern Italy, you don't have access to tons and tons of meat all year long. They eat a lot of vegetables.
Right.
So we make this a lot of times without meat. So this can easily be a vegetarian dish.
Right, you could just use the eggplant guts, right, with the onions and garlic.
Exactly.
Right.
And honestly, I like them both the same. I think they're both just delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna get this going, and it's gonna cook down. All right?
And then when it cooks down, you add all this beautiful cooled. You wait till they cool.
Yep.
And all you gotta do is scoop out that flesh.
Exactly.
Look
Scoop
at
out
that.
the flesh. Now, you can chop this up very, very fine, get out some aggression, or throw it in this
food processor,
right? So you can just throw that in.
Here, might as well add that scooper.
Go ahead, add the little bit extra that we have. Whirl it up. Now, like I said, chop it up if you don't want to get the food processor dirty. Sometimes I don't feel like...
The food processor is
way easier, yes. This cooks down, we get this in, we let it cool.
Gotcha.
We add our stuffing, our stuffed eggplants. We're gonna add breadcrumb, egg binders, right?
A little breadcrumb.
It's Italian, so
lot of cheese.
You gotta add some cheese.
Parsley.
I love parsley, just brightens things up. This just gets mixed up, and this is your filling. Now, if I leave you with one tip, it's how much I love the ice cream scoop.
Oh, I have scoops in every shape and size.
Every shape and size.
I get them for the holidays for my friend Emily in different shapes and sizes.
We love our scoop.
I find the scoops really comforting.
They are.
Very comforting.
And they're not just for cookies. I use these for my meatballs. I use them for everything. So
meatball rolling people all need scoops.
You get the same size every time. So when I'm stuffing, I like to do it because, one, stay a little bit cleaner. I'm on TV, I'm fancy. And then you just press it right down.
But you know it's the same amount. Things in like shapes and sizes, like amounts, have the same cook time.
Yeah.
So it's actually quite important to the cooking process for even cooking.
Exactly.
Right?
So, look at this. I use a little brush, but this is even better. Just
non-aerosol olive oil spray.
Love it.
Done.
Love, love, love.
Are there done ones in there or just the ones on the counter? Oh, yeah. We'll just pop these in here, get them going.
Get them going.
What temp do you recommend once they get to this stage?
So 400.
About 400, right?
Now, what I like to do, you don't have to do it, but I cook it.
204 Celsius, by the way.
Yep. 10 minutes, and then I flip them because I like those tops to get nice and golden brown and delicious.
Yeah.
So just flip them over, and then the top, see how I flattened it? Flattens right on the sheet pan.
Nice.
Right on that sheet pan.
Look at these babies. Come on. Shall we have a little parsley on top, too?
Yes, and of course more cheese. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Shall we have an eggplant toast?
Yes. Chin chin.
Chin chin. It's a beautiful recipe. Heirloom Kitchen, I was obsessed with. I still am. It's available wherever books are sold.